I was looking at badges today, and it doesn't look like anybody. I've only gotten one video submission, and they didn't do it all the way right. So I need you to make videos. How are those going? Has anybody shot a video yet? Just hasn't uploaded it? Preston, okay. So if you all could go ahead and upload a video, that would be awesome. Would it be, who would be benefited by us going to breakout rooms today? Are there people that would like one-on-one help, or do you just need time to record a video?
I just need time to like record.
Okay. Is there anyone here that is ready to do some sight reading? Remember, you have 6 sight reading examples that are due by March 12th. So I give you the page number, you turn to that page, you look at it, you practice without playing. You can shadow play, and then you play it. Does anybody feel confident that they're ready to do any of that? Okay, I see one head nod, yes. One thumbs up. One, I'm not quite sure. 2, I'm not quite sure. Okay, so I think how I'll start is I'll put us all in breakout rooms. But don't leave, because we'll all come back at about halfway through. So I'm going to give some people some sight reading. Who's ready for sight reading? I know Vivian's ready for sight reading. Who else is ready? Nico, you ready for sight reading? Alex is ready for sight reading? Okay. The rest of you, record something. Record me a video of 5-finger patterns and upload those to Canvas. And I'll try not to check in on you while you're recording. We'll see how this goes. This will be a fun experiment. I'll take roll while I'm at it. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 of you. So I'm going to make a bunch of breakout rooms in case somebody comes in late. All right, I will see you in your breakout rooms. 1 second.
How's it going today?
Good. We're going to do breakout rooms, so I'm going to put you in room number 8 or 7.
All right, well, what are we doing?
Either doing sight reading or recording something to pass off. What do you want to do?
What do you mean? Like anything from the book or anything just to play in general?
I'm going to give specific examples for you to sight read.
Oh,
Or if you're ready to do 5-finger patterns or hand over hand arpeggios, you can do those.
is that the one where you do like for C, you go something like that?
Yep.
Yeah, I'll do those.
Okay, so record a video and then I won't bug you until about halfway through.
All right.
Okay. All right, so we're getting back here. Hopefully you guys were able to get something done today. Oops, let's see. Okay, so how was breakout rooms? Did anybody get a video done?
I was recording right now.
Ah, did I mess you up?
No, it's alright because my hand wasn't fully in the video. So
Okay. So it's hard doing this online. Like in the lab, I can just let y'all do your thing and hit a button and hear you all instantly. And this takes a lot more time to get in and out of a breakout room. So unfortunately, you don't get as much in-class practice time as you do if you take it face-to-face. But I'm glad that you're taking it and continuing your education now rather than waiting to do it when we're back face-to-face. So several of you got some sight reading done. I just want you all to know that there are 6 sight reading examples that we are trying to get you to do by March 12th. So some of you got 1 or 2 or 3 done today. So pace yourselves and know when we do breakout rooms that you need to start doing sight reading so that you'll make it by March 12th. Yeah? Questions on breakout rooms? Questions on the badges?
Yeah, Professor, I had a quick question.
Go ahead.
Like I do have a hard time like reading the notes, but I like to make my own like notations on the side. Is that like okay?
Oh, like writing on it?
Yeah, like usually get like how I read the notes, like I put like C4 or like G5 or whatever. It's like
It's
easier
it's
notation for.
it's okay to start, but we want you to get away from that so that you don't have to do it.
Okay.
We want you to reference your home notes. You know what I mean? So like that's a skip above G clef G, or that's a step below top space E. We want to get it to where you don't have to do that.
Okay, makes sense.
Okay. Good. Any other questions? Okay, we were supposed to go over today the chord symbols because I know a lot of you were wanting to know about that. And we talked a little bit about the real book and the fake books. Let me go grab my fake book. I'll be right back. Baby, how was school?
Good, and we still have school on Zoom.
Oh, you do?
We made a dragon.
Oh, you did for Chinese New Year? Cool.
We made a toilet on the wall.
All right, this is my real book, my fake book, sorry. It's called This is the Ultimate Fake Book. It contains over 1,200 songs for piano, organ, guitar, and all C instruments. So this fake book has a bunch of songs. I'm trying to find one that's worth playing that's not Christmas that you might know. Dancing Queen. Should we try Dancing Queen? Anyway, what I want you to notice in these is that there is no left hand. Everything's treble clef. And then above the clef is a chord symbol and a little graph with dots on it. The graph with dots on it is guitar chords, showing you where to put your fingers to play it on the guitar. But without it, just with the chord symbol, you can play that chord in your left hand while you play the melody in your right hand. So here's a little bit of Dancing Queen. So I can play from the melody in my right hand and just play chords in the left hand. So I want to show you in your book where it teaches us a little bit about these chords. So this is the harmonization section. Let me share my screen with you all. Maybe. There we go. Okay. Have to go further. So above the staff, they're going to put these chords. Does everybody see them? And we've learned a little bit about these chords. I want to teach you a little bit more. What these chords are is these are just the first, the third, and the fifth note of every 5-finger pattern. So if we find an F major 5-finger pattern and we take 4 and 2 out, we have our F major triad. Same for E flat major. If we follow our formula of first note, whole step, half step, whole step, take 4 and 2 out, we've got our chord in our left hand. So this is sometimes called jazz chord or pop chord or fake books or real books. Now I wanted to tell you the story about the real book. So Matthew showed us the real book last time, right? The real book used to be illegal because the real book was not properly put together. They didn't get any of the copyright permissions that they were supposed to. So it was kind of this bootleg music book where somebody wrote out all the charts, all the notes, and the chord symbols for people to play the songs, but none of the composers were getting their royalty checks, the money that they should be. So I had a teacher that used to live in New York City. He was going to the Manhattan School of Music, where I ended up going. And he said he would go to a music store and he would ask, do you have the real book? And they would look him up and down and try to see if he was a cop or if they trusted him. And if they trusted him, they'd go to the back of the store, get one of these books, because they didn't keep them out on the floor or on the shelf, and they'd sell them to him. But if they didn't trust him, they would just say, we don't have any of those. So it was this bootleg book with all these charts in them. And then they finally legalized it, so everyone's getting their royalties now. And that's the version that Matthew's got. I think I might have an illegal PDF somewhere. I would never admit that. So those are the real books and the fake books, and they're nice because, $10, $20 you get a book and you can play 1,200 songs. So you can start playing at gigs, and I can play at a wedding, just sit down and play because I know my chords. So we need to figure out how to figure out our chords. So everybody knows that our C chord is C, E, G, right? What's our F chord?
FGC.
Say that again. You're playing it right. You're saying it wrong.
Oh, I mean FAC.
FAC, you got it. And what's our E flat chord?
It's E flat, G, and then B flat, right?
You got it. So that's what we're going to be playing in our left hand while we play our melody in our right hand. All right, so let's knock this melody out real quick. Let's clap and count our rhythm. You ready? We got pie apples. Pie apps followed by the pulls. 1, 2, ready, go. Pie, apple, pie, pie, apple, pie, apple, pie. Pie, apple, pie, 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 pie. Pie, apple, pie, pie, apple, pie, apple, pie. Pie, apple, pie, pie, apple, pie, pie, pie. Let's just play our right hand. So what key are we in? We're in F major. Good job. So my right hand's going to be in an F5 finger pattern. We've got B flats, correct? Sorry, I'm trying to do too many things at the same time. Let me share my screen so you can see me playing this, and we'll rock it. All right, here we go. 1, 2, ready, thumb on F, pi, up, same note, up to the pinky, same note, step down, step up, step down, same note, leap up to 5, same note, step down, step down, step down, step down, second line, same note, pinky, same note, step down, step down, step down, step up, step down, same note, leap up to 5, same note, step down, step down, step down, step down. How do we do? So in our left hand, we're going to be playing F major chord, E flat major chord, F major chord. We have an E flat major chord and a C major chord. F chord, E flat major, back to F. Back to E flat, C, F. That last measure is hard because we go 3 chords in a row. E flat, C, F. And I failed to read the instructions with you. It says harmonize each of the melodies by playing the indicated root position chords. In measures where no chords are indicated, the last chord from the previous measure is repeated on beat 1. So in measure 3, we're going to play an F chord again. And in measure 7, we're going to play an F chord again. Do we dare try this hands together? One, two, ready, go. E flat, back to F. Same notes. Down to E flat, down to C. Back to F. E flat. Back to F. Repeat F. Here we go, 3 in a row. E flat, C, F. Did anybody get it? It was a lot and it was fast, wasn't it? Remind me to pick up on this tomorrow. We're out of time today, but we can do this again. And there's another example just below it on the page so we can get another shot at it. Questions? I will see you all tomorrow.
Thanks,
See ya.
Dr. B.
All righty.
Mr. Baskin,
Yeah,
I had a question about homework assignment.
sure. Which one?
It was 31 through 40. It's locked right now. I can't turn it in anymore.
Oh, what page is it?
39 through 40.
3940? Let me look
Yeah.
real quick.
Okay.
Let's see. Oops. Courses 20. see assignments. 3940. If I hit edit. Okay, it should let you do it now.
Okay.
It'll just mark that it's late, but it's okay.
All right. Cool. Thank you. Yeah, I try to stay on top of it, but
That's
you know,
okay.
I'm just kind of subbed out.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll see you tomorrow.
All right. Cool. Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.